If you've ever felt stuck trying to delete a Jira task, you're not alone. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to delete any Jira task confidently so you can keep your projects clean, organized, and clutter-free. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you're properly logged into your Jira account. Once you're in, you'll land on the Jira dashboard, your mission control for everything related to your projects and tasks now. Head over to the Your Work section. This area is basically your personalized hub inside Jira. It shows all the tasks and projects connected to your account, helping you quickly find what you're involved in. Take a moment to scan through the list and pick the project that contains the task you want to delete. After selecting the right project, you'll want to navigate to the backlog. Think of the backlog as a holding area for upcoming tasks, everything that hasn't been prioritized or started yet. Go ahead and click on backlog to enter this section. Once you're inside, carefully scroll through the list and locate the specific task you want to delete. This part is important, so take your time. Deleting the wrong task can't be undone. When you find the right one, click on it to open more details. Next, look for the three-dot menu, also known as the ellipses or more options menu. You'll see this in many software interfaces, and Jira uses it to hide additional actions you can take. Click on the three dots and a drop-down list of options will appear. Among them, you'll see delete. Once you select it, Jira will display a confirmation message warning you that this action is permanent. This is your last chance to double check you're deleting the correct task. If you're sure the task is no longer needed, confirm the deletion, and that's it. The task is permanently removed and your backlog stays clean and accurate. Deleting tasks is a simple but essential part of maintaining an organized workflow. By removing tasks that are outdated or unnecessary, you're keeping your project space efficient and easy to manage. I hope this guide helped you feel more confident managing your Jira workspace. If you want more tutorials like this or have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.